I think food is what brings people together. Everyone always ends up in the kitchen.
The Hestan Cue is an opportunity to have a chef in your kitchen.
It really gives the home cook confidence to cook whatever they want. The pan, the app, and the burner all work together seamlessly to control how hot the pan is and for how long to hold it there for each step.
Seeing the temperature change from one step to the next, and it takes all of the stress out of whether you're hitting the right temperature or not, or wondering whether something's going to burn.
I was worried about burning stuff, but with the app, I didn't need to.
You're still chopping food, you're still immersed in the experience of cooking. It just takes the doubt out of it.
So the app tells you exactly what you need to do step by step. It's easy to just like follow something, hit next step, and then you go to another thing.
I think it reduces people's anxiety because it just kind of takes away that fear factor of what to do or what it should look like.
What they know or what they don't know, and all that information is right there.
It's almost like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, if not 5 or 6.
You don't really have to worry about it. It does it for you. Definitely less intimidating.
To be working with a product that kind of prompted me to things that I wouldn't normally even think about cooking was a huge asset. It even pairs things, flavors that you might not normally think about.
And now you know how to cook them, and now you know how to apply that to maybe 10, 12 other different dishes.
I think it changed the cooking experience for me. It made it way more fun, more interactive.
And having something that can help you cook well is very empowering. And that's for everybody to have. That's great.
The most rewarding thing for me as a chef is watching someone cook for themselves and saying, I made this.
The Hestan Cue kind of unlocks that potential and allows you to cook dishes that you wouldn't really try at home.
I do feel like a chef when I'm using it.
I feel like I'm on my way to being a better chef because of the Hestan Cue.
Can I get it? Like, am I gonna give it for free?
You want to take that one home?
Yeah.